Hey my waffles behind the phone, welcome back. Let's kick some HTML today just like our boring schools does with us in assembly. Today we are going to learn tags in HTML, so until I grab my coffee and wash my polar bear face, to like and subscribe or I'll be chasing you people with shotgun, ha ha ha. Well, look who's here. Granny Jordan, ready to learn HTML. Did you bring cookies, or is that just a rumor?
Cookies? Oh, dearie, I brought my kitten. And my magnifying glass. These tiny letters on your screen are smaller than my cat's whiskers.
Don't worry, Granny J, we'll make the text bigger. And if that doesn't work, we'll just project it on the moon.
The moon? Back in my day, we used typewriters. None of this HTML nonsense.
Oh, Granny, you're adorable. But don't worry, HTML is just like knitting, except instead of yarn, you're using code. And instead of a sweater, you're making a website.
A website, huh? Is that like a digital quilt?
Sure, let's go with that. Now, let's start with the basics. Now, let's talk about the bread and butter of HTML, tags. Tags are like the spices in your taco, they make everything better. Headings are used for titles and subtitles. Less than H1 greater than is the big boss, like Thor with his hammer. Less than H6 greater than is more like Loki, small but still important.
Show me an example.
Less than H1 greater than welcome to my taco blog. Less than slash H1 greater than less than H2 greater than white tacos are the best food. Less than slash H2 greater than less than H3 greater than a deep dive into guacamole. Less than slash H3 greater than
A deep dive into guacamole?
Hey, it's a serious topic. Don't judge. The less than P greater than tag is for paragraphs. It's like the meat in your taco, filling an essential.
What if I want to add a line break?
Ah, that's where less than branch greater than comes in. It's like hitting enter in a text message. Want to link to another page? Use the less than a greater than tag. It's like a portal, but without the risk of getting stuck in the upside down.
What's the ref thing?
It's the address of the page you're linking to. Think of it like GPS for your browser. Want to add a picture? Use the less than img greater than tag. It's like a selfie for your website.
What's the alt attribute?
It's a description of the image. If the image doesn't load, the alt text shows up. It's also great for accessibility. Now, let's talk about lists. You've got two types: unordered less than all greater than and ordered less than all greater than lists.
What's the difference?
Unordered lists are for bullet points, like your grocery list. Ordered lists are for numbered steps, like a taco recipe. Finally, let's talk about the less than div greater than tag. It's like a cardboard box, boring on its own, but super useful for organizing stuff.
So, it's just a container?
Exactly. It's like the Swiss Army knife of HTML, simple but versatile. Nice house, Grandma. I wish I could get my cookies next time.
Sure, I like to feed pigs like you.
Alright, Granny, here's your mission. Create a simple web page with a heading, a paragraph, a link, and an image. Bonus points if it's taco themed.
Challenge accepted. Thanks, Ryan.
Anytime, Granny. Now go forth and conquer the internet. If you enjoyed this video, or even if you didn't but you're just feeling generous, smash that like button. It's the digital equivalent of giving your granny a hug. And if you didn't like it, well, keep it to yourself. My fragile ego can't take it. Until next time, stay awesome, keep coding, and remember, the only thing harder than learning HTML is explaining it to your granny. Peace out.